guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's vlog we are going to be starting off the Peru vlog. So I'm in Peru, Cusco today, and this is where we are right now. Some kind of hills. It's actually quite nice weather. I'm wearing my raincoat just in case it rains because it is also raining season, but it's really beautiful here. I don't know if I actually told you guys what we're doing, but we're doing like a city tour. So for half the day we're just being taken around like the main city points and shown around, and we have like a little tour guide that we follow. We also did go to like this museum place. I didn't really record much because it was honestly just kind of rocks everywhere, but we are currently at the second location, and this one's just like kind of more like there's a lot more nature. Low-key, not gonna lie, the altitude is getting to me, like my head really hurts, but I'm also really hungry, so that might be why. But I'm pretty sure the tour is ending soon. I think we have one more location and then finally we can go get some food. Okay guys, so we just finished our city tour and right now we're in this beautiful restaurant that we came to yesterday to eat some traditional food. I'm gonna be trying some alpaca for the first time because my dad got it last time and I want to try it this time. But we finished the city tour, it was really cool, but the altitude sickness really got to me in the end and my head really started hurting. But it's okay, I feel a lot better now, and when I eat I'll probably feel a lot better too. My dad wants to say hello. You have to say hello to me.
Hello.
What did you think of the city tour?
It was really nice, really good experience. Very good.
So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when the food arrives. Okay guys, so the alpaca is here. We're gonna be trying it now. I'm super sunburnt, so please ignore it. Wait, actually first I'm gonna start with the salad. Very important to start with your fiber first. Now we're gonna try the alpaca. Tastes a bit like chicken and a bit like beef. Completely different to anything I've ever had. That's good. Guys, I rate alpaca. Really good. Okay, so right now guys, I'm sitting on the balcony outside of our hotel room. The view is so pretty from here. As you know, when traveling, it's quite hard to find snacks that are actually healthy and good for you. So that's why when traveling, I always take Vilgain snacks with me. I'm going to show you guys some of my favourite Vilgain snacks that I always take with me when I'm traveling, or just even to have as snacks at home. So for example, we have these plant pistachio protein balls. If you're more of a savoury person, these quinoa crackers are really good. They also do seed oil free potato chips and popcorn. They use very simple whole food ingredients. So for example, in these energy balls, there's only dates, pistachio butter, plant protein, roasted pistachios, date syrup and coconut oil. No added sugar, no seed oils, no gluten, no dairy, super clean ingredients. We've also got this Vilgain flapjack. They have loads of different flavours of these as well. These are just made with gluten-free oats. These are also so amazing. Plant protein cookies. And also we have these organic mini cookies. Again, these come in so much different flavours. So if you'd like to try any of these Vilgain snacks out for yourself, you can visit Vilgain's website, which I will put in the description of this video, and you can use code OGEATS to get 10% off your first order. I really recommend you guys try them out. When I say me and my family love their products and use them on a day-to-day basis, I am not joking. And you can just tell from my Waina days, I will always be choosing and using Vilgain products. Machu Picchu today. It's day 2 in Peru. My head doesn't hurt anymore, which is good. It did kind of on the way here, but it's better now. And this train is really cool. It's kind of, I think it's more of like a tourist train because there's just loads of tourists here. The experience of coming here was really cool. I think they even have like a menu of like food. Machu Picchu city. It is raining, so we bought ponchos, but look how beautiful the view is. We're probably gonna get some food before we get the bus to Machu Picchu. Me and my dad thought we lost our tour guide because we were trying to buy these ponchos and our tour guide just left. Luckily we found them, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys. I hope it stops raining before we get to Machu Picchu. So here is alpaca, and it came with some potatoes and an egg. It's a bit hard. As you can see, we're now where Machu Picchu actually is. It's a bit cloudy, but you can still see it, which is good. If you watch my Japan vlog, you would know that this also happened when we went to Mount Fuji. There was clouds everywhere. But this is actually better because you can see it pretty clearly. As you can see, it's right there. When we were climbing up, it was actually raining the whole time, but when we got to the top, we waited for like 10 minutes and all of a sudden the sun came out and everything completely cleared. I was so happy because you could see it so clearly. It was beautiful. On day 3, we were doing the Sacred Valley city tour. The first stop was at this place where traditional Peruvian women showed us how they use specific natural products in their everyday life. For example, this soap. It was really cool to see how they incorporated these natural products into their lives. We were also given this tea to try. I have no idea what it was, but it was really good. The next stop was this marketplace and some farming grounds. So today we are doing another tour, but it's like the Sacred Valley tour. We're also visiting loads of other locations on the way. We just went to see like this alpaca making place. Not alpaca making, like they sew loads of things from alpaca wool and sheep wool. And now I think we're at a marketplace. Do you think this is a marketplace, Tata?
Oh, no, it looks like.
Yeah, I think it's just like a little marketplace where people sell things. So today is our last day in Cusco, Peru. Tomorrow we're going to Lima. Today we're just doing like a chill day, just walking around Cusco city. Right now we're going to the like big marketplace that they have. Right now, it is massive. Oh nah, I can't look at that. A lot of the places are closed right now because we came quite early. I think most of it opens at like 10. So we are currently right now in this really beautiful restaurant getting lunch. I ordered like a steak with potatoes and loads of other roasted vegetables with a side of rice. So I'll show you guys that when it comes. So my food has arrived. This is what it looks like. It also came with a side of rice. My dad got the grilled trout with some salad, potatoes and this sauce. So it's time to do a taste test. I'm also going to be recording for my TikTok, so bear with me. Tomato. Oh. That's seasoned really well. It's also not too big of a portion. Now it's time to try the beef. This is key. I asked for medium rare. I used to be a well done type of girl, but now I've learned that medium rare is the way to go. It's so soft. Steak perfect. Last thing we're gonna try together are these crispy roasted potatoes. This is good, guys. Little update, I'm wearing this because I don't want to get my jumper dirty, but I just tried the rice. Guys, I don't know what they've put in this rice, but it tastes so good. And it has like pieces of corn inside. Let me try a bit with you guys. There's a little bit of corn right there. It's not focusing, but anyway. That rice is phenomenal. So as you can see, we got this chocolate mousse for dessert. So we're going to be trying it now, me and my dad. Let's go. Oh, it's underneath.
It's good.
That's too good. Oh my gosh. That's like 100 out of 10. It has like fruit ice cream at the bottom. Hey guys, so we have just landed in Lima. It is so different here compared to Cusco. Like, so much more modern and there's so much people here. It's also so hot, let's not forget, a very key difference. And it's literally only an hour away by plane. But this is the hotel we're staying at. It's so nice. And I love this massive mirror so I can take cute pictures here. But yeah, now we're gonna be going to go try some ceviche, I think that's how you say it, in like a popular spot that was featured in a Netflix documentary. We've got the ceviche, the chicharrones, and then the seafood fried rice. Let's do a taste test. So I'm just going to try the ceviche with you guys. So this is basically like fish, I think. Zoom in. Okay, let's do it. That's sweet potato, a little bit spicy, but really good. I want to try the chicharrones. We have now come to this matcha spot and I got a ceremonial iced matcha with coconut milk. This is what it looks like. Let's mix it up. I haven't had like a proper good ceremonial matcha in so long. I'm so hyped. With coconut milk as well. Oh my gosh, it's exactly what I needed. The sunset right now is amazing. We're about to go like see it at the main like sunset point. I look like absolute crap, so please ignore what I look like. Hi guys, so it is, today is the start of our first and only full day, not even a full day because we have to leave for the airport at 7 in Lima. We came to the main square. Right now we're walking to the cathedral, I'm pretty sure. This is my outfit I'm wearing today. I really want matcha, of course. Right now we are at a cafe. You can't really see me well. Okay, they sell loads of different gluten-free bakeries. I chose this pistachio croffin. They forgot to give a plate. They thought we were doing takeaway. I chose this pistachio croffin and I got an iced matcha latte with coconut milk. So let's give it a taste test. First we're gonna do the matcha. I think they misunderstood that we wanted actually to eat in, but it's okay. This is the matcha. I think I like this one more than the one I had yesterday. I like the coconut milk in this one a bit more. Ready? Wait, maybe we should open it up. The pastry. The pastry is really good and soft. It doesn't even taste gluten-free. Really good. Let's taste some of the pistachio filling. It's not that sweet. Okay guys, so we are now getting lunch and we've come to this place that gives you this green chicken soup for free to try. It's a traditional green chicken soup. So we're going to try it. There's like different levels of trying it and you add onions halfway through. That's really good. I can't really taste any chicken. Now we're going to try with the onions. And now a little bit of lime. Each step has a different flavour. It's really good. The main meal has now come. We've got special banana. It's like a Peruvian banana. We've got some beef, onions, tomatoes, a fried egg, and then this rice on top. The beef is really good. It's very soft. It's very tender. The rice is a very unique flavour. It's very good. Let's try a bit of the banana. It is. It's really good.